This is the Emax BabyHawk-R, and it is a 136mm model, or rather 3 inches. And this one's actually been out for a while, so I'm kind of late to the review on this one. But I haven't really come across a model that holds a candle to this one yet. That's why I'm doing a review of it. If you are looking for a racing drone in this size and this form factor, you're not going to go wrong if you buy this. So let's go over some specs really quickly. We've got RS1106 4500 kV motors, and these are both suitable for 3S and 4S. They've got the Emax Atom Pro Mini props on here. We got the Mini Magnum stack. Inside here I've got a FreeSky RXSR receiver, so I got full telemetry capabilities on here. VTX is pretty easy to use. It's got a little LED, so your channel and your band are not a mystery. There is an unlocking procedure to put this thing up to 200 milliwatts, and I would definitely recommend doing that if you can and if it's legal in your country. Perhaps the best thing about this is that it's factory tuned out of the box. Mine comes with Betaflight 3.2, and Emax put their own tune on it, and it flies like a dream. Usually I have to tune out a lot of these bind and fly models, but not this one, because Emax took the time to tune it already. So if you're looking for something with the minimal amount of setup in this form factor, this is probably it. Now there's only one thing that I don't like, and it's this little capacitor here. As you can see, look at it, it's sticking out. And when I first saw it, I thought the same thing. I'm like, this is just gonna fall off. And well, to tell you the truth, I've had quite a few little crashes with this guy, and as you can see, it's still alive, and well, I haven't broken it yet. So I figure the day will come that it is gonna snap off, but until then, I'm just gonna leave it alone. Yeah, I've seen people move it inside the quad. There are some little tricks that you can do to move it inside, but I just haven't found the need for it yet. Let me show you the batteries that I've been using with this thing. So I am a huge fan of the Black Label 550 milliamp hour 3S for this. These offer plenty of punch, and the motors don't come down boiling hot, and you get decent flight time with this. You can get like 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes, just cruising around depending on your throttle control. So I'm really happy with these 550 batteries. I think the final reason you would maybe want to buy something from a vendor like Emax is because Emax does actually offer a warranty, and they do have support that's within the United States. I think they have it at Emax-USA, so all the Emax products come with a 1-year warranty. They'll help you out if you do have a problem with a product like this. Alright, so I'm sure you guys want to see how it flies, so I'm just going to play back some of my FPV rolls from today for you, and hope you enjoy the flights. It's always fun to see a little line of sight, so we're going to do that. There's a little guy. It's so small, but so powerful. Whoa! I panicked. I didn't want to crash it too hard in the ground. It's got a pretty loud beeper if you do crash it somewhere. You can hear that from quite a bit ways away, which is always a good thing when models like this are so small. Yeah, it's so loud. Alright, I think you guys have seen enough of this thing line of sight, and it's time to take it for some acro flying. all in all, good job from Emax on the BabyHawk-R. As always, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys next time.